Hello friends, welcome to my channel Delicious Home Cooking. Today I'm gonna show you how you can make yogurt at home. So in my last yogurt video, people were asking like, this is curd, not a yogurt. So let's start. So here you can see this is the yogurt that I bought from a grocery store and I saved 1 tablespoon from it. So here you can see this is the active bacterial culture. So you can use this to make yogurt at home. So I am using the milk with 2% fat in it. So first of all, we will boil the milk at medium flame. So making yogurt at home is simple. Just buy a yogurt from the store that has active bacteria in it and then just save 1 tablespoon of yogurt. So while boiling your milk, just keep stirring in between so that your milk should not be sticky at the bottom. So try to boil it on the medium flame. So you can use like cow milk, buffalo milk, even you can use the 2% fat milk or even more than that. So you can see it's going to reach at its boiling point. So milk reached at its boiling point. Just turn off the flame and keep this aside. So now let it cool to get its temperature between 42 to 46 degrees C, or you can say your milk should be lukewarm. So here we have the yogurt culture. So now mix it with some milk. You can add 2-3 tablespoons of milk and mix this well. So your yogurt culture is ready. So now pour the milk in a container. I am using this kind of container. So pour the milk into it. Now pour the yogurt culture into it. And with the help of spoon, mix it well. Now cover it properly with the lid. So now cover the container to keep it warm between 35 to 40 degrees C. You can cover it with clothes, even you can put this in the oven. So cover it properly. So leave it undisturbed for 8 to 10 hours. So after 8 to 10 hours, you can check. So here you can see our yogurt is ready. So guys, if you like my video, press the like button. If you have any question, you can put in a comment box. Thanks for watching my video.